Let's say you tossed a coin. There would be two ways that coin could land, right? So, first way, it could land heads or it could land tails. That's for one coin. What if you had two coins? First coin could either land heads or tails, and the second coin could either land heads or tails. But the first coin could land heads first, and then the second coin could land tails. Similarly, the first coin could land tails, and then the second coin could land heads. So there would be four possible ways these two coins could land. If we had three coins, the possible combinations for these coins to land would be H, 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 T, H. So there would be 8 possible ways these 3 coins could land. So what could we do to predict the number of ways these coins could land? The easiest way would be either you count them one by one, or since there are 2 coins, there is 2 ways a coin could land, a single coin could land. You raise it to the number of coins. So if there was only 1 coin, you'd raise 2 to the first, and you'd get 2 possibilities. If you had 2 coins, you'd raise 2 to the number of coins you had. So 2 raised to the second. That would be 4 possible ways. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if you had 3 coins, that would be 2 raised to the third. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. And if you had 4 coins, that would be 2 raised to the fourth. So 2 raised to the fourth would be 16. Right, 16. Let's say you have let's say you have 2 coins. What is the probability, 3 coins, what is the probability of only 2 heads? So the possible ways 3 coins could land would be heads, 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 tails, heads, 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 tails, heads, 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 tails, 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 heads, heads, tails, 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 heads, tails, or tails, 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 right? So each of this would have equal probability of happening. So there are 8 possible ways it could happen. And where are the occasions where only 2 heads occur? So one would be here, the other one would be here, and then the other one would be here. So there are 3 times out of 8 that only 2 heads occur. So that would be equal to 0.375. Similarly, you could also solve for that number by knowing that each of this has a 1/8 chance of happening, or that's equal to 0.125. So this is also 0.125, 0.125, 0.125, and so on. If I add this 3 to together, 0.125 times 3, that would also equal 0.375. If I wanted to know the possibility of not only two heads, or the opposite of this, I could go the easy route by subtracting 0.375 from 1. That would be equal to 0.625, or I would count all the number of the possibilities where only two heads don't occur, like here, 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 and here. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 8. That would be also equal to 0.625. Thank you for watching.